Hello viewers, welcome to Earthbondhon YouTube channel. I am Mohammad Shahanur Rahman Sohag with you. In this video, now I am showing you how to make three-phase motor wiring diagram. If you are new to my channel, please be subscribed and stay with me. Press the bell icon for more my video. If you already subscribed, thank you so much. So viewers, let's start. Triple pole MCB circuit breaker, magnetic contactor with overload, three-phase motor. First phase connection to MCB circuit breaker, second phase connection to MCB circuit breaker, third phase connection to MCB circuit breaker, three phase connection to contactor, three phase connection from overload to three phase motor. So viewers, that's my video. If you like my video, please like and share my video to your friend. Share my video to your all social media. Thanks for watching my video and thanks for being with me. Thank you so much.